With the expansion of Bengaluru-Mysuru Highway into a multi-lane expressway, coupled with improved metro connectivity and nice road, Mysore Road is in the radar of real estate investors. Come, let's check out this micro market today with Mr. Uttam Kumar, Marketing and Sales Head of Meda Greens. So what's driving the housing demand along Mysore Road?
If you take Vijayanagar, Nagarbavi, RR Nagar and all, the rental prices have gone up. If you take a 2 BHK rent will be somewhere around 15,000, ends up till 25,000. And 3 BHK rent starts from 17,000, ends up till 35,000. And people now, instead of paying rent, it's more to pay an EMI. Here you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of educational institutions, a lot of international schools. You have a very good social infrastructure that drives the market of housing. Previously in Mysore Road, it's only a plotted development and right now if you see a lot of apartments, a lot of affordable housing, a lot of luxury segment, and everybody is lining up here for better opportunities, having better job opportunities here, and this drives the housing demand in Mysore Road particularly. Yeah.
What kind of residential projects are coming up along Mysore Road and at what price points?
There are a lot of projects which is in the price point of somewhere around 45 lakhs to ends up till 1.5 crores. If you take my project Meda Greens, it's a more spacious project. We have a 2 BHK starting from 1,220 square feet, ends up till 1,400 square feet, and we have a 3 BHK starting from 1,400, ends up till 1,735. And a lot of guys are coming in, settling here, and a lot of this is because of metro connectivity right now. There are prices has also been increased. Means if you are connected to Uttam Kumar Road, you are connected to Electronic City, you are connected to Whitefield. Major developers have acquired lands to start bigger projects. To take a lot of malls like Salarpuria's Fun Mall is recently got opened. There is an RR Arcade. Means a lot of malls are also is coming in the pipelines in Mysore Road. Social infrastructure is developed like last 2 years. If you see the prices also in Mysore Road, it's only on the higher side, not on the lower side.
A couple of years ago, Mysore Road meant only Kengeri, Kumbalgodu and Bidadi. But today we also see projects coming up in Mandya. So which are the new micro markets that are emerging along this stretch and why?
There are a lot of housing is coming up in Mandya particularly. So you see a lot of plotted developments and senior living residences in that micro market of Mandya. If you see right now the prices in Mysore also has been increased. It's almost matched to the Bangalore market, and because of traffic and everything, now in another 6-7 months the infrastructure of Bangalore-Mysuru corridor might increase more. You have seen a lot of bigger developers are encroaching lands for building tech parks in Bidadi Smart City concept, wherein a lot of guys have taken 1,000 acres, 800 acres acquired, and they are doing for SEZs. Bigger SEZs are coming. And particularly in Bangalore-Mysuru Road, there was only one SEZ, that is a global tech park. A lot of industries are coming in Bangalore-Mysuru corridor. And apart from Bidadi, if you tell, you have a Ramnagara, you have something like Chenpatna, you have means lot of these small tier 2 means districts will emerge as and more in the city, because the development, the connectivity makes. Because if you see predominantly all the government staffs who are working there travel Mysore to Bangalore predominantly. So smaller districts will develop into a major housing demand, and the rentals will also be less, and rates of land is less compared to Bangalore or Mysore. I think these in the future a lot of industries will get into the smaller cities, and it might be developed. That's what we feel. In another 1-2 years you see the change of Bangalore-Mysuru corridor. Once this 10-lane road is open, it will be more fruitful.
One of the important advantages of investing in Mysore Road is that it does not really face water scarcity unlike its counterparts in north or east, right? So what's your take on this?
There are a lot of trees, a lot of greenery around in Mysore Road. There is a Kaveri water canal which is running in the Mysore Road corridor. BWSSB has been managed to get Kaveri connections till Kengeri. Now they are planning till Bidadi. These are the water resources, and you have a Manchanolli Dam wherein you are getting water for all the micro markets of like Ramoli and all. If you see bore wells, here you have a very good groundwater feasibility. I think that's what the Mysore Road micro market is different to other parts of Bangalore.
Moving ahead, let's talk about the connectivity aspect. Which are the projects that have catapulted growth of the residential segment along this stretch?
There is an intermediate road which is coming near to the Nice Road, wherein that is an intermediate road which is in Kempegoda layout, which is a 1000 acres BDA layout, which is be connecting to the Tumkur Road. It will be like going to Magli Road and then it will be connecting to the Tumkur Road. And there is a satellite STRR recently government has approved. If that comes, it will be all around the city. There will be one more intermediate road. There is an existing outer ring road. There is a Kengeri outer ring road. You have an connectivity wise, if you want to go for somewhere around to Devagowda petrol bunk.
So how has the pandemic affected people's choice or preferences in terms of residences?
Means if you see pre-COVID, a lot of people were not looking at amenities. Post-COVID, they are looking at spacious home to play with their children, to play, means anybody relatives comes, they want to have a guest bedroom. They are looking at bigger house and bigger amenities. They want swimming pool, they want game area, they want a gym. Means these are the choices of the people what I see. Means if you take 2 BHK, they are looking at somewhere around 1000 square feet minimum. And 3 BHK somewhere around 1400 square feet.
So what's the average appreciation that one can expect by investing along this stretch?
If you see 2018 when I launched this project, it was around 4,800 rupees to 5,000 rupees. Right now after metro and all, it is somewhere around 6,000 rupees. There is 1,000 rupees. The cost of construction has been increased. Land prices have increased 25 to 30%. In Mysore Road, I expect somewhere around 20 to 25% increase in the prices in coming next 6 months.
So do you think this is the right time to invest, and what will be your advice to the investors?
Real estate, I think it's only gaining momentum, and this year there will be a lot of residential market momentum because a lot of launches are planned, a lot of guys are coming into the market, a lot of players are coming into the market, and this is the right time.
So what will be your advice to the people who are looking forward to invest here? What are the things that they have to keep in mind?
See the quality of construction and what you are getting for the money, and location, because location plays a major role.
Hope you found this property show on MBTV informative. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off.